Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video, we will be checking out the Porsche 993 Remastered by Gunther Werks, and this is from Tarmac Works. And as you can see right here, beautiful looking car and sleeve and cover. The outer sleeve is in this light blue sort of color, which is nice. And then moving towards the inner parts of the acrylic and the background, we have some orange here and there. So from what I speculated early on when this car was announced, I thought it was a wannabe golf car, but it is actually not. It's actually just an original and regular blue and orange livery that is not golf, just if you're wondering. So when you see the box here, you can see some light blue 993 Remastered by Gunther Werks, Tarmac Works, and then over on top, Hobby 64. There, Hobby 64. And you have your acrylic. And then over on the side, you can see the front of the car right there, very nice. Moving towards the back, you can see the back of the car. That is cool. And over on the back right here, it says Tarmac Works, Tarmac for good. And then at the back, bottom, Tarmac Works, small size, big heart, 993 Remastered by Gunther Werks, blue and orange. There's your barcode if you do need it. Made in Malaysia, made in China. And there are your socials. And let's go ahead and take a look at the car. Oh, and it does come with a what do you call this, certificate, as you can tell. So it says Tarmac Works, Tarmac socials at the bottom, blue and orange. Moving at the back, yeah, you can pause to read if you want. 993 Remastered by Gunther Werks, and I got number serial 3661 right there. Background of the sleeve is orange, and it says A Legend Reborn right there. Let's take a look at the car. Here we have the 993 Remastered by Gunther Werks. So the originality of this car is a 993 model, 993 Porsche, now converted into with a Gunther Werks body kit right here, which looks crazy and I like it. Love the blue and orange livery. Now I keep feeling that this is a golf car, but it's not. And yeah, the base is in orange and it says 993 Remastered by Gunther Werks, Tarmac. You have a single blue stripe, light blue stripe, and basically that's it. And then you have your car as usual. Let's take it out from the base. Put it on the turntable first. There you have your 993 Remastered by Gunther Werks, colored in a nice looking blue and orange livery. So it's not just your metallic blue or metallic orange, it's actually a matte blue and orange. And yeah, it looks pretty crazy if you ask me. Really like that. Such a beautiful design. Yeah, some stripes here and there. You have sort of like a golf-ish sort of stripe, the way they do it. Yeah, it looks very nice. I would reckon the livery for this is essentially golf inspired, if I'm not mistaken, maybe. Yeah, from what I'm looking for this car, it's great, just that they made a minor like changes to the golf livery, and basically instead of a golf logo, they changed it to a number 25, as you can tell. The rims look great. Comes with 5-spoke gray colored rims. with silver accents, which are nice. So let's take a close look at our car itself right now. So here is the 993 in blue and orange, matte blue and orange. So obviously you have your wide body rear fender right here, and then you have some orange parts at the back. You have your 5-spoke rims, which they do roll but not smoothly, as there's brake calipers at the back, which is nice. Some silver accents as well. You have your orange stripe on the side, and then you have your number 25 in black, and then with the white circular logo. You have your side door, and then you have your side mirror, which is colored in orange, which is nice. Side window, pretty cool as well. More extended side fenders right here for your wide body. Moving towards the front, we do have our front bumper right here, which is fully covered in orange, and then it turns blue towards the top. So yeah, you do have some black accents as well, if you can see it. You have your side blinkers, you have your front grille, extended front splitter, which is in black, and overall that looks pretty cool. You have your circular headlights right here, which are detailed, lensed, and transparent. Porsche logo, number 25. You have your stripe going towards the middle and towards the back. Reminds me of a Golf livery again. You have some hood pins, and basically that's it. You have your regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, blacked out dashboard, and it is left-hand drive. Over on the top, like I said, there are stripes right here. And then over on this side, pretty much the same thing, not much of a difference, but still pretty cool. Over on the back, you do have a massive rear bumper right here, colored in orange. You do have your red colored rear lights right here at the back, which looks sick. And then you have your massive rear spoiler right here with the orange stripe still. It's actually like a double layer spoiler, if you can tell. That is pretty nice. Does that say Gunther Werks, I think? License plate in black, very nice. You do have your rear exhaust tips colored in silver, which are nice. And then you have some extra detail at the bottom as well. Then lastly for the base, blacked out plastic base, Tarmac Works, Gunther Werks 993. Sorry, Gunther Werks 993, 1/64 scale, made in China. So overall, such a nice looking 993 made by Tarmac. It's not the first time we've seen a 993 produced by Tarmac, I believe. We've seen a couple of times previously. Not sure, was it one in yellow, I think? Or was it in gray and blue? I think it's either of those, or both. But yeah, they both look pretty great as well. But this one, in fact, is pretty nice, I would say. Matte blue and sort of like a golf-inspired livery, which is nice. And yeah, that's overall my review of the 993 made by Gunther Werks. And of course made by Tarmac Works themselves. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. Overall, it's such a nice car. I really do like it. Golf inspired livery, as I would like to say, and pretty nice looking model for your collection. And yeah, there you go, that's my review of the 993. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. If my videos, don't forget to leave like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.